Last but not least, we have aromatherapy. Again, flowers, flowers, flowers. Herbs in the kitchen, herb gardens on your windowsill, and cooking with them daily. Cutting fresh fruit, especially citrus things. Divine. And of course, we cannot forget the essential oils and incense, which can be purchased at the store. Grab a diffuser, mabkhara and bakhur, or any incense burner, and just get it popping. You can easily liven up your space with a heavenly scent. I would definitely suggest this for date night if you're inviting someone over your house. Fellas, your lady friend will definitely be allured by tantalizing aromas tingling her nose upon entry into your domicile. Just make sure she's not allergic to anything beforehand. We don't want that to happen. Thank you for being here today. Take care and be well.